Lashana Tova, everyone. Happy New Year. Today, the kids and I are making something sweet for a sweet New Year. We are making a honey cake flavored ice cream. This recipe is so easy. You don't need any special equipment, no hard to find ingredients. The measuring is even easy. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I put out videos all year round on being a mom and being a Jewish mom. I love cooking with my kids. I think that it's one of the things that makes holidays so special. So let's get cooking. Guys, today we are making honey cake ice cream. These are our ingredients. We need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 container of heavy cream, some vanilla, some gingersnap cookies, some honey, and some cinnamon. We've got everything?
Yeah.
For this ice cream, I'm going to do a cinnamon ice cream with crushed ginger snaps and a swirl of honey. So I'm starting with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir that together and put it aside. Then we're going to crush up our ginger snaps. There's about 15 in this bag here. Of course, you could throw them in a food processor if you want, but this is just so much more fun. And now we're going to make some whipped cream. 1 pint of heavy whipping cream, and just whip it up until it becomes whipped cream, so until it's nice stiff peaks. Once it is stiff peaks and your little one has tested it for you, we're going to combine those 2 mixtures together. Like, really, I told you this was easy. Now, the trick here is that you want to fold them in gently. You want the whipped cream to stay as fluffy as possible, but you also want everything combined fully. So I'm doing a little bit at a time and just gently folding it over. There we go. Now, once that is all combined, I'm going to fold in about ½ a cup of those ginger snap cookie crumbs. Traditional honey cake, well, it depends on your recipe, but has many of the same spices, ginger and cinnamon and things that are in ginger snap cookies. So it's kind of a sneaky way to get in all of those familiar flavors. And now it's time to layer and freeze our ice cream. I'm going to be using this plastic container today. I have also used glass containers. You just want to have something with a lid so that your ice cream doesn't get freezer burned, of course. I'm going to start by making 1 layer of this ice cream mixture, about 1/3 of the ice cream mixture on the bottom here. And then I'm going to do a layer of honey. I'm just going to drizzle this across it. I want to make sure that every bite will have some honey in it. Of course, it's Rosh Hashanah and honey cake, so there we go. And then another layer of the ice cream mixture. Some more honey, then the final layer of ice cream, and once that's all smoothed out, I'm going to top it with that last 1/4 cup of ginger snap crumbs, put my top on, and put it in the freezer. Thanks for checking out my video today. I have all sorts of useful information in the box below. I have a link to a printable and shareable version of this recipe. If you make it, please share it with me. I am on Instagram at Everyday Jewish Mom. I would love to see what you guys are up to. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. I put out videos all year round. And check out what else I've got going on.